Hi guys, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. I'm talking about this one. I'm in the shade 108 Caramel Beige. So if any of you are looking forward to purchase the shade, I hope this helps you. I hope you get like a clear picture of how the shade looks like. And I've done like quite a lot of shade reviews earlier on Maybelline as well as the Fit Me and the concealers. So I hope the video helps you. And I'm NC42 just to get you guys sure, NC42 in MAC. So first of all, I'm going to be trying this on my hand. I'll be showing you the hand swatch of how this looks like, and then I'll be going it all over my bare face. So right now I'm getting on my face completely moisturized, and apart from that there is nothing else. So then you can have like a clear picture, okay? Now coming on to the foundation, it's a 24-hour foundation. It gives you a demi matte finish. A demi matte is not like a proper matte finish or not like a satin finish or a creamy finish. It gives you like an airbrushed kind of finish. And talking about its longevity, yes, it does last for like 5 to 6 hours definitely. I haven't worn the foundation for 24 hours specifically. I don't think anybody does, but if you're looking forward to that long lasting foundation, I haven't really tried that. So yeah, without much ado, let's get started. And I'm just gonna apply it here to show you. This is what the consistency of the foundation looks like, okay? And then once you start blending, that's the shade 108 Caramel Beige. Now once when I went to the stores, I was really confused between 108 and 109, but I think this is that shade that was completely, you know, more adaptable to my skin. Like if I was going for 109, it was making me a little more oxidized, a little more dark, but I think this looks very perfect. And might look like this is not my skin and might look like this is a bit lighter for me, but once I wear it, it gives me like a very good coverage, and it does really get adjusted to my skin tone. Next thing I want to talk about this is that it immediately gets dried because it's a demi matte foundation, so it gets dried up so immediately. And if you leave it, you can see the marks on your face, okay? So you have to be very careful while blending this foundation, because if there is any sidelines or if there is anything you have left on your face, it completely shows up. Applying the foundation on my face right now, if you see, my face is clear. I have nothing on it. I'm not even wearing like a concealer or anything. I have kajal on my face, and I have moisturized my face with my favorite moisturizer of all time. This is the Pond's Super Light Oil Control oil-free moisturizer. So I have moisturized my face with this, and let's get started. I would suggest you guys to apply it on a freshly moisturized face, because then it gets easy for the foundation to blend. Now if you check my neck, there is nothing on my neck, and you can clearly see the difference between both the skins, but it's not so visible. I just use this brush to blend. You could also use your fingers, and using your fingers and the brush works best. So this is what it looks like overall. Now there is one thing I really want to tell about this foundation, that if you leave it for a little while also while blending, that's if you're not quick with the blending process, the foundation might sit and get a little difficult for you to blend. Like for example, I could show you here on my hand, the swatch that I showed you, it will get really difficult for me to blend it because it just sits and gets a little more difficult. Like since it gives you like a demi matte finish, it's not a satin foundation, it's not a mousse foundation, or it's not a creamy foundation that whenever you want you can blend it. You immediately have to blend it, and you have to be very careful of the side lines all around your face. And also, if you're not careful, the brush marks would definitely show up. Okay, the foundation retails for 750 rupees, which I think is quite decent for its price, because it gives you a good coverage. And the best part about the foundation is that it's very long lasting. So it does say that it lasts up to 24 hours, but definitely it would last you for 7 to 8 hours aram se. So you can definitely check this. The foundation claims to give you like demi matte finish and airbrushed look, and the coverage it gives is medium. And to be honest, yes, it's medium, and I don't feel like going for very heavy coverage foundations, because even on parties it looks a lot cakey. So I like the medium coverage foundation. You could always take more product and then build it. And I think that's about it. You get like 30 ml of the product, comes from a very good brand like L'Oreal. So I really like this foundation. I must admit that I like it more than the Fit Me. A lot of people prefer Fit Me a lot, and I do admit Fit Me is a very good foundation. By the way, I'm 228 soft tan in Fit Me. If you want to check that video out, I'll link it on the I button and you can check it. And a lot of people prefer it more than the L'Oreal one. Of course, it's a very drugstore, but I still feel like I really like the kind of finish it gives you. It really avoids the sweat on your face because it's demi matte, and that's how the shade looks like. I'm also going to show you. I have blended it on my hand, and you can check the shade in my hand as well. If you want to have like a close-up look, then this is what it looks like. Of course, whenever you are wearing a foundation, do not forget your neck. So yeah, that's what the foundation looks like. So now the packaging of the foundation has really changed. So now it comes in a more sleek bottle, but the shade has not changed, and this is 108 Caramel Beige. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I really hope you found the shade review to be helpful. If you have any doubts, leave it down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.